Welcome to Apocalypse Ready, your guide to surviving anything life throws your way.
From poison to plate, the pokeweed journey. The pokeweed, known for its toxicity, hides a surprising secret. Despite its infamous reputation, it can be safely consumed and offers several health benefits. In this video, we delve into the fascinating world of this plant. Pokeweed, Phytolacca americana, is a common plant found in many parts of the world. It is a member of the Phytolaccaceae family. Pokeweed is a perennial plant that is native to North America, but it has been introduced to other parts of the world, such as Europe and Asia. Identifying pokeweed is the first critical step. Young plants, under a foot tall, are the safest for consumption. The plant sports a reddish-purple stem and elongated leaves with clusters of green berries. Remember, the berries are never safe to eat. If pokeweed is eaten raw, it can cause nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and even death. But with the proper preparation, pokeweed can be safely eaten. In fact, it is a traditional food in some cultures, such as some places in the southern United States. Preparation of pokeweed is paramount in making it safe for consumption. It needs thorough cleaning and then must be boiled twice to remove all the toxins. Proper preparation turns this dangerous plant into a tasty, nutritious meal. To boil pokeweed, follow these steps: fill a large pot with water and bring it to a boil. Add the pokeweed leaves to the pot and boil for 10 minutes. Drain the pokeweed in a colander and rinse it with cold water. Pour out the used water, it is full of toxins. Fill the pot with fresh water and bring it to a boil. Add the pokeweed leaves to the pot and boil for another 10 minutes. Drain the pokeweed in a colander and rinse it with cold water. Once the pokeweed is boiled, it is safe to eat. Pokeweed is rich in vitamins and minerals. It's a good source of vitamins A, C, and E, and has a high iron content. It's also rich in antioxidants, which are known to fight free radicals in the body, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Pokeweed has been used in traditional folk medicine for centuries. It has been claimed to have a wide range of medicinal properties, including anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, anti-cancer, and immune-boosting properties. However, there is limited scientific evidence to support many of these claims. If you are pregnant or nursing, avoid eating pokeweed. Now let's dive into the preparation of a classical southern dish. Poke salad is a traditional dish in the southern United States, especially amongst older generations. It is a popular dish in the spring and summer, when pokeweed leaves are young and tender. It is often served as a side dish with fried chicken or barbecue. Here is a simple recipe for poke salad. 1 pound pokeweed leaves, washed and trimmed. 1/2 pound bacon, chopped. 1/2 cup white vinegar. 1/4 cup sugar. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. In a large pot, bring 2 quarts of water to a boil. Add the pokeweed leaves and cook for 10 minutes. Drain the pokeweed leaves in a colander and rinse with cold water. Repeat steps 2 and 3. Remember, pokeweed must be boiled twice. In a large skillet, cook the bacon over medium heat until crisp. Drain the bacon on paper towels and reserve the bacon grease. In a large bowl, combine the pokeweed leaves, bacon grease, vinegar, sugar, salt, and pepper. Toss to combine and serve. Pokeweed is a fascinating plant with a complex history. While poisonous, with the proper preparation, it can be safely eaten. It has been used for centuries for both medicinal and culinary purposes. But care must be taken to properly prepare the pokeweed by boiling twice to remove the toxins. This video is a basic introduction to wild edibles. It is not intended to be a comprehensive guide to identifying and eating wild plants. It is important to do your own research and to positively identify a plant before eating it. Eating a wild plant without proper identification can be dangerous. Many wild plants are poisonous, and some can be deadly. It is important to be able to accurately identify a plant before eating it. Consult with an expert or study reputable field guides. While many wild edibles have health and medicinal benefits, they should not be used as a substitute for approved medication. Some wild edibles can interact with medications or have other side effects. It is always best to speak to your doctor before consuming any wild edible, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking any medications. If you are unsure about whether or not a plant is safe to eat, it is best to not eat it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe.